Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to submit a Turnitin assignment in Moodle. Some of your assignments might be Turnitin assignments. Turnitin is an originality checking and plagiarism prevention service that checks your writing for citation mistakes or copying. When you submit your paper to Turnitin, it compares it to a database of student work, websites, books, articles, etc. To again avoid and check against plagiarism. So if your professors have chosen to use it for assignment submissions in your class, you can scroll down to where the assignment is located, and the Turnitin assignments are identifiable by this symbol here, or you can go to the activities block on the side of the page and click on Turnitin assignments. Okay, so here you'll see all the Turnitin assignments that are on your page or in your class, as well as the start dates. To navigate to the assignment, just click on the name in question. Okay, so this is your submission inbox. The first thing you'll notice here is the start date, which we saw on the page before, the due date, and the post date. The start date is the date from when you were able to submit. The due date is the date that the assignment, of course, is due. That's been set by your professor. The post date is the date that you will be able as a student to see your grade or any feedback that the professor might give after the assignment has been submitted and graded. So here we can see that there hasn't been a submission made. To submit a paper, we click on Submit Paper next to this upload cloud here. Okay. Here we need to title our submission. And here's where we choose the file. So again, you can drag or drop, or you can click on this file edition. We want to make sure this is set to upload a file. Click choose file. I'm going to choose the research paper here and click open. Click upload this file. Okay, the file will upload here, as you'll see by the icon here. Before you can submit and turn it in, you do have to click this box here. By checking this box, I confirm that this submission is my own work. And then you will click, in your case, this will say submission. This says resubmission right now. I'm going to click that box. The next page you'll see is what is called your digital receipt. It just has a Turnitin submission ID, and a small portion of what you submitted is there. You can close that. Then you will see the details of your submission here. You can view the digital receipt here. You can see what you titled it. Here, again, that ID, the date and time that you submitted your paper, the similarity percentage here. This will indicate to you, and this may not show up at first. The paper that I just submitted is obviously very, very short, but eventually this will populate here, and it'll show the percentage that your paper compares with other papers or samples in the Turnitin database. And of course, here will be your grade once your professor grades your paper. So, to look at your paper, to look at the Originality Report, we want to click on the paper here. So this will take you, student, to what we call the Originality Report. In this case, there's a 0% match to anything, of course, on file. If you click over here on Match Overview, you'll be able to see the percentage that your paper matches other sources, other things in the Turnitin database, as well as where those are located. So this will help you to see where those might be. This is also where you will be able to view your instructor feedback after, again, the post date. So once you're done with that and looking that over, you can simply close that, and up here you just can close that whole tab. So that's how you submit a paper to Turnitin in Moodle.